Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. Today I will show you a simple and effective way to clean your toilet to perfection without harsh chemicals using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Over time, different types of dirt build up in your toilet. This depends on the water and how long you haven't cleaned it. If your water is hard, white or yellow streaks will appear on the bowl. This is a limescale deposit that cannot be removed with just a brush. Old pipes or iron-rich water can also cause rust. Of course, there are bacteria in the toilet, and the damp area under the rim is quite difficult to clean, which can cause an unpleasant odor. Today we will remove all of this in a simple and accessible way. We will need vinegar. It's a weak acid. It's great at dissolving limescale, removing rust, killing some bacteria, and eliminating unpleasant odors. The best part is that it is inexpensive and can be found in almost every home. Measure out 200 ml of vinegar and heat it to a temperature of approximately 50 degrees Celsius. Now I add 3 tablespoons of dish soap to the vinegar. To make the prepared mixture convenient to use and store, pour it into a bottle with a dispenser. A regular half-liter bottle will also work, just make a hole in the lid. If you like essential oils, add 10 drops. I used tea tree essential oil. Flush the toilet to wet the walls. Next, take paper towels. Soak them thoroughly in the cleaning solution and place them under the toilet rim. This is where the most calcium deposits and bacteria accumulate. You also need to cover the toilet bowl with paper towels in those places where there are rusty stains or limescale deposits. Pour the cleaning solution onto the paper towels. This way they will be soaked even better and the product itself will flow into the toilet bowl. Leave them there for at least 20 to 30 minutes. For heavily soiling, you can leave them there for up to an hour. While the vinegar is working, remove the toilet seat. It's usually held in place by 2 bolts at the back. This is also where dirt accumulates, causing the unpleasant odor. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle and spray the toilet. After 5 minutes, when all the dirt has softened, remove it with a paper towel. The seat itself is easy to clean in the bathtub. Wet it with water. Spray it thoroughly with hydrogen peroxide on all sides and let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, wash the seat with a sponge and dish soap. Hydrogen peroxide effectively whitens plastic, kills bacteria, and eliminates unpleasant odors. Rinse the seat with warm water and leave it in the bathtub to dry. Enough time has passed. Carefully remove the paper towels. You will notice that the limescale has become softer and comes off more easily. Using the same paper towels, I wash under the toilet rim, first on one side, then on the other. Now I take a sponge and thoroughly clean under the toilet rim. I used this sponge to clean the seat. After this procedure, it can be thrown away. To clean the walls of the toilet and the inside of the toilet itself, I use a regular toilet brush. Once the seat is dry, return it to its place. Done! The toilet is clean, fresh and odor-free. If you found this video helpful, please like it and let me know in the comments what products do you usually use to clean your toilet, store-bought or homemade. Subscribe to my channel for more simple and effective home life hacks. Thanks for watching. See you in more videos.